Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Highway 2000. We're driving out of the city of Kingston. We're heading towards Mandeville. So today I want to talk to you about the roads that are going to be repaired in Jamaica this year. And you guys, I want to ask you guys a question. How do they select these roads to be repaired? Now, the government has three major road projects that are going to start this year. One is a CapEx program, one is a Spark program, and one is where they just announced they were going to be spending 40 billion to fix local and community roads. Now, I am not sure how they go about selecting these local and community roads. Now, the CapEx program is specific to 6 major roads. So that program is to fix those 6 roads. 3 in Kingston, 3 in Portmore. We have videos up about that program, you can check it out. And then the Spark program now is to fix 2,000 roads. So how are they going to select those roads? Now, they came out with a criteria, but I'm asking you guys, how do you think they select these roads to be fixed? Do you think it has to do with if people block the road, the attention it gets? Okay, before we get into that, the Spark program is to fix 2,000 roads. Supposed to start this year. And then you have the government announced recently that they were going to be spending 40 billion to fix local and community roads. No criteria was given for the 40 billion selection. However, they said they're going to go through the member of parliament. So the member of parliaments are going to have meetings with the people to decide which road is to be fixed. So that's what we're going to talk about today. How do they select the roads? Now, there are 4 entities basically that manage roads in Jamaica. NROC, they are in charge of the toll roads, like this road we're driving on. The National Works Agency, which is in charge of the main roads in Jamaica. And so the Spark program would fall under the NWA. No, sorry, not the Spark, the CapEx program. 6 main roads like Grange Lane, the bridge on Washington Boulevard, Lady Musgrave Road, those would fall under the NWA. But the CapEx program is set, the roads have been selected, that one is different. But now the Spark program, and now the 40 billion to fix the local and community roads, that is what we're going to talk about, the selection process for those roads now. Now, the main roads are fixed by the National Works Agency. The community and local roads would fall on the parochial roads and will be fixed by parish council. Or parish council is in charge of them. And then the farm roads is RAD. So the government announced they're going to be spending $1 billion on farm roads. So the local and community roads now, some might fall under NWA, some might fall under the parish council. So it was announced that the member of parliaments or the MPs for these areas are to have meetings to decide the roads to be fixed. Now, I'm wondering if that's the best way to do it. Because I would think the parish council and the National Works Agency would have a list of roads in order of priority to be fixed. Meaning, maybe this road just needs a little work to bring it back up to standard, or maybe this road needs a lot of work, and it also has to do with the flow of traffic onto the main roads. But I'm not sure if there is any system in place. I mean, people block the roads, it makes the news, the member of parliament gets involved, NWA looks into it. I think the process should be the other way. It should be the NWA that drives the fixing of the roads, because they have the technical expertise, they know about the roads. Parish council, same thing. They should do it according to to a certain criteria. But if you have member MPs having consultations, I mean, I'm not saying it would happen, but there are cases where maybe representation, and Jamaica is going to have an election this year and probably one next year. So basically, I'm not sure if that's the correct way to select the roads. No, MPs know the areas, yes, they know the areas basically, but their office wouldn't have the technical expertise to select, to know about the road fixing process. So, guys, what do you think? Do you think they should have gone the route of having the MPs meet with the people to discuss which roads to be fixed? Or do you think the NWA and the parish council should select the roads to be fixed? But whichever process they use to do the selection, a lot of roads are going to be upgraded this year, and that is good because a lot of these roads, the highways like what we're driving on, are being built right through the island. But the local and community roads need a lot of work. Potholes, some of the roads are in really bad shape. So it's good that they are addressing it now. It's going to take time. Jamaica has 22,000 kilometers of road, 14,000 of which is local or community roads. So it's going to take time. Just to give you a little perspective, the road they're building from Harborview to Yalos is 28 kilometers. That long stretch of road is 28 kilometers. From Kingston to Portland is 140 kilometers of roadway. So can you imagine 22,000 kilometers of road? The good thing is they've started. It's not going to be done overnight, but once you start, that's good. So guys, let me know what you think about the selection process and if you think politics is going to play any part in it. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.